Ready to unlock a new level of web design freedom? Let's dive into how to leverage the incredible power of Wix Studio. First, master responsive design. Wix Studio's breakpoints let you tailor your site perfectly for every device. Click the device icons at the top to switch between views and adjust elements accordingly. Notice how you can modify text sizes, image placements, and even hide sections entirely, ensuring a flawless experience on any screen. Next, breathe life into your site with custom animations. Select an element and open the Animate panel. Experiment with different entrance animations like fade in or slide from bottom. Trigger animations on scroll to create engaging reveals as visitors explore your site, or on click for interactive elements that respond to user actions. Now, let's explore advanced layout. Wix Studio's grid and stack features give you ultimate control over element placement. Use grid to create structured, multi-column layouts. Stack allows you to easily layer elements on top of each other, creating depth and visual interest. Play with these options to achieve pixel-perfect precision and a truly unique design. Wix Studio puts unparalleled design power at your fingertips with its responsive design tools, custom animations, and advanced layout options. You can bring your creative visions to life like never before, so get in there and start building something amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Wix Studio tutorials.